1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Well, I have to be honest with you folks, I didn't do 1,004 push-ups, but what I did do is some exercise. So my name is Eric Daw from OmniFit, and today's video is all about what older adults, retirees can do post-workout or post-exercise to reduce pain and make sure you're ready for the next workout. So as I like to say, let's get into it. So point number one, folks, I know you've heard about this for a million years, but what I noticed from my experience working with a lot of people don't stretch, whether it be after a workout, before a workout, maybe not during, but definitely after a workout, most people don't stretch. What people don't realize is working out shortens your muscles, but stretching lengthens them, which we all need to get that range of motion. So what I'd encourage you folks to do is try to find at least 10 to 15 minutes post-workout particularly to lengthen those muscles. If you're doing an outdoor workout like I'm doing, why don't you just put your foot up on a bench like this and stretch out your hip flexors? Really opens up those hips. What I notice with a lot of people is because they spend a lot of time sitting down in chairs, they're really tight around their hips. So what you also notice because of this, it affects exercises during the workout like squats, for example. So point number one, throw in some stretching, full body of course. So the sponsor of today's video is Bob and Brad. They were nice and kind enough to send me a massage gun. So what is a massage gun? A lot of people don't know about them, is it actually helps you massage your body. So as you see my gun right here, I can actually take it out and I can use this right on my body. What massage guns are really good for is loosening up and getting rid of some of those tight, stiff areas you have post-workout. Even if you don't work out, a massage gun would be really good. For example, if I turn on my gun that Bob and Brad, again, thankfully graciously sent to me, I can massage my chest. If you're really tight around your chest, if you've done a lot of chest exercises, for a lot of people that are really stiff around their neck and shoulders and back, you can really work your neck, shoulders, and back. You can work your back this way if you have enough range of motion in your shoulders. You can work your legs and actually work up and down your legs if you need to. Massage guns are really great because they really help loosen up the muscles that you've just finished using. So point number two is use a massage gun. Okay, so point number three is all about rest. A lot of people don't realize that you need to rest your body post-workout to recover and to make sure you don't feel the same aches and pains. So what does that mean? And how does that affect your workout? So that a lot of people think that means you have to rest only in between each workout. What it also could mean is that you work different muscles on different days. So for example, if you work chest and back one day or upper body one day, that might mean the second day you might just do lower body. Or if you work the front side of your body, the anterior side of your body, it might mean the second day you work the posterior or the back side of your body. So what I'm encouraging you folks to do is set up your rest so you're working different muscles on different days, or you actually have scheduled rest days. So I'm gonna go back to my 1,004 push-ups, folks, if you don't mind. But in the meantime, when you do your next workout, what are you gonna do post-exercise? Are you just gonna go home, sit in front of the TV, maybe get something to eat? Or are you gonna do any of these 3 points? Massage gun, stretch, and rest. Key to show great improvements on your next workout and your future workouts. So this is Eric Daw from OmniFit. Check the link in the description for the Bob and Brad massage gun. On that note, take care.